Hey, welcome back, YouTube. So, hey, man, this is another video. I ain't want to shoot no video today, but I'm going to shoot a video today for my mama. She wanted me to review something for y'all. It's called the Pro Plus Nuwave Infrared Oven. This thing is about 20 plus years old, and I want to see if it still work. I'm going to bake some chicken in it and see if it still work and see how it come out. Hey, if you new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know you new. We'd like to see our new subscribers, our new, supporters and stuff. But if you back, welcome back. Hey, y'all know how we do it on this channel over here. So I'm about to show y'all this little contraption. Because that's what it look like some type of little spaceship or something. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me show it to y'all. This is the Nuwave Pro Plus oven. You know what I'm saying? It's got all the presets up here. Got your cook time. You can put your, what temperature you want to cook on, how long you want to cook on. It reheats, it warm. You're supposed to be able to cook a whole turkey from frozen in this thing. But I don't know. We're going to try it out. Y'all stay tuned. Leave a comment down below. Let's get on to the next part. All right, welcome back, y'all. Hey, man. So I got all my chicken seasoned up and all that. I ain't need to show y'all that because y'all know how to season up chicken and stuff like that. But I'm also gonna make some jalapeno poppers in this thing tonight. See how it come out. Like I say, this thing is real old, so it didn't have like the cookbook with it. I don't know where it's at or the instructions on how to do it because I never cooked in one of these before. But my mama, Miss Amy, she want me to review it and see how it works. So what I'm gonna do tonight, I'm gonna do some leg quarters and some jalapeno poppers. Let me show you what we're working with right here. So we got some leg quarters right there. As y'all can see, I already got them all seasoned up. It look like a lot of seasoning, but when they sweat, like I said on the brisket video, when they sweat, that seasoning is gonna fall off. So it's gonna be like not even much that. Plus I'm gonna coat it with some barbecue sauce tonight. And then I got the jalapeno poppers. Got them seasoned too. So I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna set the time to, let me see, that's cook time. All right, we're gonna do 350. I mean, not cook time. Hold on. How you restart it? Okay, hit clear. I don't know. Okay, clear. Cook temp. Oh, it's preset at 350. I don't think it goes no higher than 350. But I looked up some instructions and it said this thing cooks fast. It said 8 minutes on one side, flip it. 8 to 10 minutes on the other side, flip it. But we're gonna probe it and see, cause I don't know them leg quarters. I don't trust that like that. But we're gonna probe it and see. I'm gonna do the 8 minutes on each side and see how it come out. So let me get this chicken on. I'll be right back. Show you how it's looking. All right, y'all, we back. It's got a pretty big cook space. I got 5 leg quarters on here, as you can see. It's pretty big, and then it has 2 settings. Like if you're doing a big chicken or something, this little rack flips upside down and it's down at the bottom. But it recommend when you're doing like leg quarters, chicken legs, wings and stuff like that, to flip the rack this way. That way these are up. So we kind of elevated. I'm gonna have to cook these next. So them shouldn't take long. So I'm gonna refrigerate these while these cooking, and then we'll go from there. Let me see how it look when I you put the lid on top of here. Let me see if I can do it while I'm holding the camera. Oh nah, that thing heavy. Hold on, I'll be right back, y'all. So I'm gonna put that lid on top of here and show y'all how it look. All right, boom, we back, y'all. So I got the lid on it. It covered it up pretty good, y'all. You can see through it, so you can see your chicken cooking. Now all that fat gonna drop down now. Let's get it. I got it at 350. Let me see. We're gonna do cook time. Let's do. It said 8 minutes. Let's do 16 minutes. So when it gets to the other side, 8 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. See what it's looking like. Oh no. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Be right back. 350. Okay. All right, I'm back. I got it right. 350, 16 minutes, and I hit the start button. Let's see. All right. It's quiet, y'all. And it's running. Oh, it's already heating up. Okay, it's heating up. I'll get back with y'all at the 8 minute mark to see how it look. What's up, y'all? While the chicken is cooking, I got it going. It's heating up. It's hot already. It do feel. I can smell it. The seasoning on it already. I forgot to mention to y'all too. I did Pam the grates on there, just so it won't be sticking. You know, I just sprayed them down or whatever before I got started. But yeah, man, so far I'm liking it so far. It smells good. It's been 3 minutes already. Comment down below, do your mama or your daddy got like old stuff like this that still work in today's, you know, time or whatever? Because I think this thing is probably, man, this is kind of like an air fryer, but before the air fryers came out, this thing probably about 15, 20 years old. But it's working like a champ. They don't build stuff like they used to. But yeah, like I say, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I'm flipping it. Y'all stay tuned. You got something to say, Mama T? Huh? You got something to say? Oh. Hello. Paris say hello. But I forgot to mention too, like I did read that the cleanup is hard after you cook the chicken because the grease drops at the bottom. But hey, fellas, that's what you got a wife for. You know what I'm saying? They can clean up at the end when you done cooking. You can go play your game, watch your game, whatever you're doing. But hey, it's the perks of being married, y'all. Y'all make sure, hey, young single fellas out there, start looking for your wife now. They do all the stuff that you don't want to do. Holla!
And it's gonna sit right there till next week. Especially if it's hard to clean.
All right, it's been 8 minutes, y'all. I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna take a little longer than 8 minutes, but you can see it's starting to burn right here a little bit. Oh yeah, it's crispy. It's crispy to the touch. So that's what it looked like. I'm finna drop it right quick. I mean flip it and go another 8 minutes and see how it look. I'm gonna probe it. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So it's been 8 minutes. This is how the chicken look. I mean 16 minutes. 8 minutes on each side. I don't know. I ain't happy with it. Look how it looks white right there. It don't look too brown, but it look brown in some spots. Look like the middle cooks faster than the rest. Let me take it off and probe it and see how it is right quick. That's the biggest piece, so I'm gonna get that one. It's juicy though. Let me see. I'm gonna put it over here. Let me probe it right quick and see what we read. We got my little probe gauge right there. Hold on. So it do gotta cook longer than that, y'all, because it's only 130. You gotta go to 165. So I'm gonna let it cook some more. But it's looking good though. It's doing the job. But I'm gonna say 16 minutes is not nearly long enough for this. Excuse me, camera, y'all. I'm moving it around. But I'm gonna flip it all back over and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Cook it on the other side as well. Yeah. Smell good though. All right, y'all. We back. So honest review, as you can see, the chicken is still bleeding, but it was cooking too fast with it up high like that. So I flipped it and got it lower, and I'm gonna cook it longer because that chicken is not done. See, that chicken not done yet, but it looked like it's done. So having it high made it cook too fast. So I flipped it around and we're gonna go 1 inch and I'm gonna cook it longer. I'll be right back. Boom, we back, gang. Check it out. So I got that chicken done, baby. Hey, it took longer than 16 minutes. Don't believe that. The chicken is done. I'm about to put some barbecue sauce on it, but it's probing right. Let's see what it's probing at. Y'all remember it was bleeding at first. That liquid done turned clear. 185, 186. See, that's, yeah, you supposed, chicken is safe to eat at 165. But yeah, I don't mind going over on no chicken. I'm gonna cook some chicken. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. 200. Yeah, that's over the way over. But once I put that sauce on it, it's gonna be going. Finna let the sauce get caramelized on that. Take it off. Do the sides, and we gonna be eating. And I'm gonna give y'all my honest review on this. What is it called? The Nuwave Pro Plus infrared cooking. But it did a good job though. It catch all the fat down there at the bottom. Look at that. See that? That won't be in your stomach. All that grease from the chicken skin is at the bottom. So this thing is pretty cool for like if you want to have like some healthy baked chicken or something, go with this. But yeah, let me go ahead and put the barbecue sauce on. I'm gonna let it run about another minute or two. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we plate up, and I'm gonna give you a taste test on how I did. Peace. All right, y'all. So I got the meal done in this old Nuwave Pro Plus infrared cooker that my mama wanted me to review. Let me get in here close so y'all can see that plate. Ooh, wait a minute. Can they get on the plate? There we go. Oh yeah. There we go, y'all. Chicken skin came out crispy. Listen, the bacon crispy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I made some yams tonight with some macaroni and cheese and green beans and the barbecue baked chicken. Let's give it a try and see if this here old Nuwave cooker is worth the hype. I cooked it in this, y'all. Cooked everything in that. Let's try this old chicken out right quick. First, let me try out the jalapeno pop. Okay. Hear that? Crunch. Crunch, baby. Let's see if it cooked the chicken good all the way through. Let me cut it. Hold on, y'all. I know y'all can't see it, but I'm gonna cut it and show it to you. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that look good. That chicken look good. White, hot. Mm-hmm. It's worth it, y'all. If you can find you one of these, pick it up. I don't know what my mama got this one from, but it works real good. But, sorry, I'm even talking to my mouth full. But thank y'all for watching this video tonight. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you have any questions about this or where you can find one. But thank you, mama, for letting me try it out. You ain't never getting it back. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.